inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
The gas in the middle of the sun. Never leave, she's so bad. Hit the black.
Do you have any firearms in your vehicle, sir?
No, sir.
Aim to your left here, all the way down.
Left all the way down? Okay.
Yes.
Firearm. You have any firearms with you? Guns? Machine guns? Tanks? F-51? You know? You know firearms? Me no firearm, me samurai. Only swords.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
It's gonna be really hot though.
What you mean really hot? Oh, to like...
Yeah, the scenic view, like climb up there. Or you just...
How long is it to climb up there?
I have no idea. You just want to go to the dam?
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
I should probably... I don't know.
You want to hike? So excited.
Is there like a way to see how long it's going to take to get up there? We can like ask all these people how long it's going to take to get up there.
I don't know. It looks pretty hot.
It's going to take like a mile.
Yeah, you gotta go all that like that.
Yeah, no, I ain't going to.
Okay, let's go to the dam. I don't want to be all sweaty. Lady, watch out for car. You can't win.
If she survives, she might win.
She might dent the car, huh? That's what we need, RV. Oh, they got a bathroom here too.
Oh yeah.
Coke machine.
I hope so. All this shit. She didn't want some nutrition.
Turn right onto Hoover Dam Access Road. Continue on Hoover Dam Access Road for half a mile.
Kind of glad I got gas first. It'd be hard to find gas station out here.
Yeah.
Why does the winner want a bagel? Because they want a wiener bagel.
Shut the fuck up.
But yeah.
Want to drive on that?
You know American, huh? You don't have humor. Oh my
Hoover
god.
or Hummer?
Humor. She don't understand my joke.
There you go.
Wiener bagel, there you go. Wow, so pretty. Look at that. Oh my god, that is
dog one.
This is probably built by an
West Side
alien,
dog.
huh? My alien might help them to build this. Just joking, viewer, YouTube people. I'm not.
In 600 feet, turn left.
Here.
Yeah, it was a joke.
What do you call a silent dog, Daddy?
Dead dog. Sleeping dog.
A hush puppy.
A hush puppy. Oh, okay. That's great. That's a good one.
This is where I get my fingers from a dead dog.
We got corny humor. Where can we park? Authorized vehicles only.
Not us.
Speed available.
Where? Where? Park here or down there? Oh,
I don't know. Don't run into the car.
and we gotta walk all the way down there.
Let's drive.
There's a giant on the rock. Wow, look at that.
I don't remember ever walking
Yeah,
down the Hoover Dam. I remember driving and pulling the car over.
you were too small.
Did we ever have to walk?
I can't wait till sun because it got car behind me. You should pull out your phone earlier. We go up, auto parking. That's a for the van, right?
Was it like this when I was little?
Oh yeah, it's the same thing. They haven't changed anything yet. Both lane open. Is this free parking?
It's like
Man, I like the parking lot. It's smooth.
$10.
How much?
$10.
Oh. That's how they make money.
Look ahead.
Me, you know?
Look up.
I was supposed
See-
to park alone.
$10.
Yes. Oh, sorry. Hello.
Any animals in the vehicle?
I got two in the back. The hush puppy.
Shut up.
Just kidding.
Let me get you changed.
One I need to shave. It's not funny joke.
Yeah, that's what there's like lower parking.
Thank you. Have a good day. How long can you park here?
Until 7 p.m.
Until 7
Lower
p.m. Okay.
parking. Lower.
Okay. Which we go up, right?
Yep, straight ahead.
Thank you.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last